Hello, Indianapolis. Welcome to the Cabaret. I'm Matt, and if you would have told me freshman year, sophomore year, or even junior year that I would be living with Easton as a senior, I would have said there's no way.
Okay, and if you would have told me that after Matt and I hooked up sophomore year, that we'd be living together as seniors, I would have said, probably.
And I'm Jayden. And we're all roommates now.
So how, you may ask, do I cope with living with somebody that I've done the nasty with?
And how do I cope with sharing 4 walls with the most annoying person in our class?
And how do I cope with being in the middle of it all?
Alcohol.
Anything you can drink, I can drink quicker. 1 shot of liquor down, quicker than you.
No matter how sick you get, I can get sicker. I'd rather get sicker than bicker with you.
Wait up, hold the phone, now you both need a Snickers. When you start to bicker, I can't deal with you.
I'll chug a whole 6-caser without a single chaser.
I can take tequila and a margarita.
I can do all of that too, but you don't get along unless I drink with you.
Okay, but who is the first one who puked in our new house?
Yeah, that would be Jayden.
I puked in my bed. Life's too short to even care at all. Whoa!
I pay rent to live.
Yeah, me too.
I'm losing my mind, losing control.
These bitches next to me just won't let me sleep. Whoa!
So I'm a bitch now?
Yeah, you are.
Yeah.
I need another shot to get me through the night. Whoa.
If I could find a way to leave this house and get away to a bar where I should be drunk by now. I'm waiting for this Jack Daniels to come down. 1 more shot, Jack Daniels down. Whoa. I'm drinking my wine, drinking my soul. Put our differences aside when we get to the bar. Oh, hey! We made it through the night without a single fight. Whoa!
Although an unlikely trio, we've made it work.
We have found friendship in dancing the night away on the dance floor.
And although we may be stumbling home, at least we're stumbling home together.
Aww. To senior year.
Tonight's out.
To senior year.
Chug, chug, chug! We have found a way to work this out. No screams or shouts. We're besties now, and that's why we're fine right now. Too many more shots in Long Island now. Anything you can do, we can do drunk.
You guys are flat.